Hello all. Today I'm going to represent a topic that is B-Tree. I'm an assistant professor. My name is Monica and I'm from ABS Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Let's start. So B-Tree is a rooted tree with a root that is labeled as a root of T. So we can say that means it consists of a root node having some following properties. First property is that every node X has following fields. Each node X, this particular value is called as a node X and it has a following properties. N of X represents the number of keys, number of values that are currently stored in this node X. This node X has been divided into four parts where 5, 8, 12 and 5 are the key values. So N of X is equals to 4 for this value. B part consists of the NFX key values themselves it should be stored in a non-decreasing order, or I can say in an increasing order. So key 1 should be less than key 2, should be less than key 1 should be less than key 2, should be less than key 3, and so on. Leaf of X is a Boolean value that is true if a particular node is a leaf node, and if X is an internal node, then this particular value is false. If X is an internal node, then it can contain nx plus 1 pointers. Say if X is an internal node, so pointers will be left of 5 and right of 5, or we can say between 5 and 8, then between 8 and 12, then between 12 and 13, and then after 13. So leaf nodes have no children, so their CI fields are undefined. These have been arranged in non-decreasing order. Now, the keys separate the ranges of keys stored in each subtree. So ranges have been defined: less than 5, 5 value, 5 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 13, and 13 to this. All leaf nodes are at same level or same depth, which is the tree's height. There are two things that is called as a lower bound and upper bound on the number of keys a node can contain. Lower bound means the minimum value, that is the number of keys can contain, and upper bound means the upper value. These bounds can be expressed in terms of a fixed integer t greater than equals to 2, that is called the minimum degree of B2. That will further understand using an example. So every node other than root, that means an internal node or at least a leaf node, can have at least t minus 1 key values, where every internal node other than root does have at least t children. If the tree is non-empty, that means it contains some values, the root must have at least one key value. Every node can contain at the most 2t minus 1 keys. Therefore, internal nodes can have at the most 2t children. So maximum value will be 2t minus 1 and least value will be t minus 1. So the simplest B tree occurs when t is equals to 2. So every internal node has either 2, 3 or 4 children. So 2 node has one data element, 2 node has a one data element, and if internal has 2 childs. 3 node has 2 data elements and its internal nodes are 3 child nodes. 4 node has a 3 data animals and if internal nodes had 4 child animals. So let's take an example of B tree with a minimum degree t equals to 3 for the given sequence. Assume that B tree is initially empty. So we have been given an array that consists of values 78, 56, 52, 95, 88, 105, 15, 35, 22, 47, 43, 50, 19, 31, 40, 41, and 59. They are not arranged in either increasing order or not in a decreasing order. We have to find out the minimum key. As we have already learned here, that the root must have at least t minus 1 keys, that is the minimum value, and at the most 2t minus 1 keys, that is the positive value, or we can say maximum values. So t minus 1, where degree is 3, so 3 minus 1 value gives you 2. 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So minimum it can have 2 nodes and maximum it can have 5 nodes. Draw a B tree. So first value is 78. Now we have inserted 78. After that, we have another number that is called as a 56. So 56 will be arranged in a non-decreasing order. That means increasing order. So 56 will be added to the left of 78. Now, then here comes the number 52 that would be added to the left of 56. Next is 95 that would be added to the right of 78 because it's greater than 78. Next is 88 that should be added between 78 and 95. Now the maximum key values is 5 and it has been reached. So if we want to insert 105, then we have to break this particular node. Now we can insert a new key into an existing leaf node so as the maximum size can be achieved. Hence, we introduced a split function where we split the tree by its median value, where the median 78 will move towards the upper part, 52, 56 will become the left child, 88 and 95 will become the right child. So first we'll split and then we'll insert 105. So 78 is the median value. So 78 has been lifted up where 52, 56 is the left child, 88 and 95 are the right child. Now we have to insert 105 where 105 is greater than 78. So it should lie between the right hand side. So 88 and 95 where we'll put 105. After that, I have to insert 15 that is less than 78. We'll move on to level 2. That means 50. We'll compare the key value 15 with 52, which is less than 52. So 15 will be added before 52. Next is your 35. Similarly, the 35 will be added between 15 and 52. Next is 22. After adding 22, these 5 nodes have been completed. That means its maximum value has been achieved. Now we have to move one key upward depending upon the median value. So we'll first split. We'll split here over here from 35. So 35 will move upward. And 35 and 78 will become a single node. The keys less than 35 are inserted here in 15 to 22. Between 35 to 78 and then after 78 there would be the values that are greater than 78. Now we have to insert 47 that is between 35 to 78, so we'll use 47, 52 and 56. Now 43 is to be inserted, that should be inserted before 47. Now 50 is to be inserted, which will be inserted after 43, 47 and then 50, 52. Now I have to insert 19. 19 would be inserted below the 22 value. 31. Next is 40. 40 has to be inserted in this particular circle. So 50 is the median value that will move upward. So split and 50 will move upward. The values that lie between 35 to 50 will be in this particular node. Values that lie between 50 to 78 will be depicted in this particular node. Next is 40. 40 is to be inserted. 40 can be inserted over here. That is 15, 19, 22 and 31. Or we can say 35 to 50. Sorry, 35 to 50. So 35 to 50, 40 will be inserted. Next is 41. And another is 59 that will be added between 50 to 78. That's the B tree insertion.